kutekeleza jukumu lao. Shukrani. Na pia wanahabari na swali la mauaji hata wakati wa maandamano na wakati mwingine.
We have had IPOA on many occasions.
Let them respond.
As a law society, we are doing our part. We are bringing the cases before the court. We are seeking for the answers. We are fighting to ensure that those who have since disappeared, we demand that they are brought to court. My tough position is that we need to see courts also playing their role. When court orders are not obeyed, they should not grant audience to those who are disobeying those court orders.
Torture in itself is illegal, unlawful, regardless of the way the same is done. And we have the IPOA, where you find the police are not acting on that complaint. That is an issue you need to raise.
So what we can do, as the UN, as the Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights, is to, help in, making sure that those, responsible for this are held accountable.
We are exercising strict disciplinary control to ensure that misbehavior among police officers is not entertained.